Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Study Scored. It is 9 a.m., which means it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. This session comes every day on this particular channel and it is just under 5 minutes, and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. So if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so, and do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when the session comes you all get notified. With that being said, let's start this session and let's hop on to the first word for today. And the first word for today is retributive. Retributive means relating to or intended to be deserved and severe punishment. So it means you deserve to be punished. Okay, so you have done something that you deserve to be punished. Here the image depicts the same and will make it very clear. Here you could see that the guy here is showing the player a red card. Okay, so that means he has committed some mistake and therefore needs to be punished. Coming to the sentence, we have retributive justice demands an eye for an eye. So when you receive a retributive kind of justice, that time you want the other person to be punished for whatever mistake they have made. So here, therefore, we have used the idiom eye for an eye. Coming to the synonyms, we have retaliatory, revengeful, punitive, castigating, and vindictory. Here, the last two and also punitive are important and let's star mark them. So make sure to pay extra attention on them. Coming to the antonyms, we have forgiveness here. Okay. Next word is encroach. Encroach means to use more of something than you should. So somebody allows you to encroach in their personal space, or they allow you to share particular resources that they have, but you try to use more than what you're allowed to do or what you should be doing. Okay, coming to the sentence, we have I do hope that I'm not encroaching too much upon your free time. So I hope that I'm not using too much of your free time. Okay, so I am not using more than what I'm required. This is the same motto that we have for this session, so that I only use 5 minutes of your daily life and do not encroach more into your free time or the time where you need to study more. Coming to the synonyms, we have intrude, we have impinge, and we have obtrude. Obtrude is important and we'll star mark that one. Then antonyms, we have uphold. Okay. Next word we have is ensue. Ensue means to happen after or often as a result of something else. So something has happened because of which the particular thing is happening. So it's kind of a chain reaction. Okay, something has happened and therefore that thing is going on. So here you could see the image here. Okay, here you could see there's an accident that has happened. Okay, so two cars bumped into each other. So when they have bumped into each other, then the next thing will be, here we see an accident of the cars, or you could see the cars bumped. Then the next thing that will happen, or the event that's going to happen, is going to be an argument here. Okay, so that is going to be a result of a accident that happened. So that will ensue after that. Coming to the sentence, we have she ran the investigation that ensued following the women's allegation. So women has put an allegation to somebody and she's going to investigate because of that. Okay, the synonyms here are result, supersede, and supplant. Here last two are important. Okay, and we'll star mark that. Then antonyms are cease and halt. That means just stop it. There's no chain reaction, nothing going forward, you just stop here. Okay, next we have is amnesty. Amnesty means a time when a government forgives political crimes. So the government is forgiving people who have committed political crimes here. Okay, the sentence says refusing to grant political amnesty exacerbates the wounds of conflict. Okay, so they increase the wounds of conflicts here if they are not forgiven. Here the word different that we're using is exacerbate. So now it is your responsibility in the comment section that you will tell me the meaning of it. Okay, the synonyms here are pardon, reprieve, and forgive. Pretty simple. And antonyms here are penalty and penance. Next we have is vicinity. Vicinity means the area near or surrounding a particular place. Okay, the image here, see, it shows basically here you have a place where everything is in vicinity. So all the things are in the surrounding or they're very near to each other. The same way a colony is designed. so that everything, a hospital, a school, all of these facilities are very close by or they are in the vicinity. So that kind of society or colony is considered to be, high priced. The sentence here says the number of people living in the immediate vicinity was small. So the people living around were very small in number. The synonyms are vicinage and incidence. Okay, both of them are important and star marking them. The antonyms here are distance and remoteness. Next, we have the word recalcitrant. Recalcitrant is a different kind of word. Okay, it means stubbornly resistant to authority or control, or difficult to manage or operate. So something which is out of control, which is very difficult to manage or operate here. Here, the sentence says the subject is recalcitrant both to observation and to experiment. So it is out of control of both observation and experiment. Synonym says fractious, refractory, opposed, rebellious, and the antonym here is docile. Simple. Next, we have the word for the day, that is foster, and you're going to answer me the meaning of this word, the synonyms and the antonyms in the comment section. And if you've watched this session till now and you like the content, make sure to hit the like button. It gives us the motivation to keep on bringing this kind of sessions for you guys. In the comments, participate as much as possible. It actually shows that you guys are eager and you're interested in this session as well. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that, I'll end the session here. Thank you for watching.